I want to take you through a quick little tour of the Pfaff Admire Air 5000 serger. This is just to give you a quick little overview of where everything is and all the different parts that I'm going to be showing you in the next 30-some videos. So right now the machine is threaded. Starting with thread, a good quality thread is so important. This is a high performance serger. You want to feed it good thread. Next, if you have the same weight of thread on, you can leave those tension dials to be all about the same number. We'll adjust them as we start to put in decorative threads and also looking to get different looks of our overlock stitches. Next, when we open up the front door, we are welcomed with a super easy threading system. So right here, here, and here is what composes the AirJet threaded system. To allow it to actually work with and send the thread through the areas, start by lining up the mark on the hand wheel that matches with the housing. Once that's happened, you can engage the tubes that are now closed so the air can blow the thread through. You put the thread through the little holes. This is the upper looper, this is the lower looper. You switch the lever to the one you want the air to be pushed through, and as you lower it, that's what sends the thread all the way through the entire system. You're done. You switch it over, you put the next thread in, you lift it, and you send it through. Once you're ready to stitch, open up those air tubes, and it will be ready to serge like a normal serger. We have two needles. Needles are the same needles you put in your sewing machine, so it's very easy to change out and never run out. We have the lever up front here for doing rolled hem. It's a little stitch finger that's either pushed in for regular overlock or pulled out for rolled hem. And speaking of rolled hem, when the serger is closed up, you can switch it from normal to tight, and it automatically makes that rolled hem totally perfect. I'm going to push that lever back in so I don't forget. We do have the knife adjustment, something I do want you to make sure you learn and understand. We do have where you can actually remove the knife completely, which you'll hear me talk about. And then on the side over here, the last knob, there's actually two knobs here. One is for differential feed. That is to adjust the feed dogs for stretchy fabric or for slippery fabric that might want to gather up. I'll show you which way to go. And then the outside one is stitch length. So just like your sewing machine where you have the length adjustment, how far apart or spread out or close together the stitches are. Bigger numbers for heavier fabrics and smaller numbers for lighter weight fabrics. All right, let's get into all the corners of this amazing serger.